In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage page roles in Meta Business Suite. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Meta Business Suite. From the results, choose the official Meta link so you land in the right place. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight to your business dashboard. Otherwise, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to Meta Business Suite, the central hub where you manage your Facebook pages and Instagram accounts. To access role controls, head to Settings. This is where permissions live, and it's the safest place to make access changes without affecting your content. In the left-hand menu, look for the Users or Accounts section, then click People. Here you'll see everyone who currently has access to your business assets. If you manage multiple businesses, double-check that you're viewing the correct one to avoid changing the wrong profile. Find and click the name of the person whose role you want to change. This opens their access details. You'll see the Facebook pages and Instagram accounts they can work on. Next to the specific page or account you want them to handle, click Manage. This is where you'll adjust their permissions. Use the toggles to grant exactly what they need. Content lets them create, manage, or delete posts and stories, ideal for publishers and creators. Community activity allows them to review and respond to comments, perfect for moderators. Messages lets them send and reply to direct messages as the page, which is helpful for customer support. Ads enables them to create and manage ads for the page, typically for advertisers or agencies. Insights gives read-only access to performance data, so analysts can track reach, engagement, and results without editing content. Full Control provides comprehensive access to manage all of the above, plus settings and other people's access. Reserve Full Control for trusted administrators as it effectively gives them ownership-level capabilities. When your selections look right, click Save Changes to apply the new role. Your updates take effect right away. If the person is currently active, they may need to refresh their browser or app to see the new options. For clarity, let them know what you changed and why, so responsibilities are clear and nothing gets missed. That's it. By following these steps, you can safely tailor access in Meta Business Suite, keeping your team empowered while protecting your brand. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.